Our Wirrina Sea Tour departs from Wirrina Cove Marina and we head south along the beautiful coastline along the Fleurieu Peninsula here. It's a stunning scenic tour through some of South Australia's most Instagrammed coastal locations. So along the coast we'll discover Second Valley with some lovely little secluded beaches. As we cruise along the coast at Rapid Head, we're likely to see lazy fur seals sunning themselves on the rocks down there. And if we look skyward, perhaps we might be lucky enough to see a white-bellied seagull. We always see dolphins as well, frolicking around in the pristine waters. Our Sea Wirrina tour is suitable for the whole family. The coastline here is very protected and the water here is generally very, very calm. There's a lot to see in an hour's journey.